Okay. This is the Bulldozer. It comes with 4 balls. I could only find 2. Anyway, it's good for, yeah, they push them, throws it back, boom. And then it counts. It counts.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then, hold on a second to get it out. Okay, so then you can put them here for storage. If you're like my little one, he likes to take them and lose them, so we said he got to put them here. But it's a cute little push toy. It's a cute little toy. And then it just, yeah. And then this thing just keeps going off.
One. Safety first.
Yeah.
My hard hat protects my head. I'm the team leader. I'm ready. Drop a ball.
It's VTech, so pretty well made. Good for a toddler. I wouldn't get it for any kid older than a toddler because it's the perfect size for them when they're standing. Any kid older than that, you know, it's not going to be worth it for them, but it's well made. It's a good VTech toy.
Okay, this is the cutest toy. So my daughter's like 17 months, and this literally, before she can start walking, helps her walk. Just pushing it. It comes with different functions, so you can like play music, and it says numbers. Super cute. And it has numbers. It sings. It's adorable. Different colors, and it's not really big at all. So like, definitely good for like storage if you have a little area. But this entertains her for like hours.
Ball. Ball. Does it go in? Good. Ready?
Let's keep 2. Let's head to the site.
Ball.
I've been working at my Bulldozer. 3.
I want to give a quick and honest review on this VTech toy. Our little one has so much fun with this. It's super straightforward to use. Has really fun songs, bright colors, and each button has a fun little feature. I love that they can use it when they start to crawl or when they start to walk. And as you push it, the balls fly, which is really fun for the little ones. So I would highly recommend.
The product is okay. I am not happy the way the box came, that is all bended. It's all bended or in different parts. And that's not good when you order something to give on a present and the box is all beat up.
Third, scooping the balls away. Popping time! Let's head to the site.